So in this video, we are looking at doing our coding to try and create a flashing heart. So we should have followed the link so that we're on the MakeCode Microbit website. And so this is what that website looks like. So we're gonna click on New Project, and it's gonna create us a new project. We wanna make sure that we are in the block coding, not the JavaScript coding. Okay, you can code in JavaScript if you happen to know how to do it, but I find the block coding to be significantly easier. So in this new project, we are going to code a heart onto our microbit that's gonna flash. So we're gonna go from a little heart to a big heart. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this on start block. So we're gonna delete that block just by right clicking. There we go. And we want to be working with this forever block. All right. So we are going to go to the basic codes, and we are going to pull out this show icon, and the large heart is already in there. And so we're going to have that show icon large heart. And then we also want to choose that show icon button again, only we want to click on the large heart and we want the little heart as well. So we want to have the little heart and the big heart. Now, if we just leave the coding like this, it's just going to flash and flash and flash with the same amount of time in between. So we're going to include a pause after the first little heart. And I think I want that pause to be 200 microseconds. So I'm going to choose 200. And then I'm going to do another pause after the large heart. But I want the large heart to stay there for a little bit longer. So I'm going to choose 500 microseconds. So now when I look at my microbit on the left side, my little heart is there for 200 milliseconds, and then my big heart is there for 500 milliseconds. And that's flashing little heart to big heart. So my little heart to big heart. And that's it for coding this one. So now what we want to make sure that we're doing is we actually just want to include a button that says show string. And we're going to type our name into the show string. And so I'm going to type Miss Easton into the show string and just put it underneath there. And then I want to take a picture of my microbit coding, and I want to include that in my assignment. So I'm just going to take a screenshot. If you're on the computer, you can still take a screenshot. I'm on my iPad, and so I can take a screenshot by using my buttons to create this screenshot. But now my screenshot shows me that this is me that created the coding, so that I can prove that I actually made the coding. And that's what you want to include in your assignment. So that's it for coding for this